This story was written by Miss Holubeck's class, and it's called The Earth Artist and the Velociraptor.
Factory planet, push this button, turn this knob. Everybody do your job. This planet is a huge factory, powered by the paintings you see. Ba, 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 ba. When all of a sudden, from another universe, what should appear? What can it be? I'm planet Earth, I'm an artist. I am the Earth artist. Hey, look at all those paintings. Give them all to me. But we are factory planet. The paintings are powerful, they keep the planet running. We can't help you, go away. But I want the art materials. I want all the people's art. Give it all to me, so that my planet friends can paint. Didn't you hear us? We said no. Don't come back another day. This is Factory Planet. Our paintings are here to stay. Oh, yeah? Yeah. Oh, yeah? Yeah. Oh, yeah?
But wait, my friends. You see, I'm a Velociraptor, but I have no color. I want to be colorful. If we help the Earth artist, maybe she'll help me. Please, 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 friends, please.
Velociraptor, because we like you, we suppose that we can help. We'll get some water for the Earth artist, then we'll... Water? For me? You shouldn't have. Oh, look, I touched the water, and it turned to paint. I'm so very happy now, so happy I could faint. Thank you, Factory Planet. Come on, all my planet friends. Paint for Jupiter and for Mars. Let the painting begin. And oh, Velociraptor, thank you so much for helping me. Now I will paint you blue and gray. Let's celebrate this joyous day. Oh.
Thank you, Earth artist. I'm so happy I have color now. I'm happy 'cause my dreams came true. Color for me and color for you.
The end.